Hello students, welcome in RSEC classes. Today's topic is investment. Investment is also known as capital formation. To define the investment, we can have a equation I equals to delta K. It means I for investment, delta means increase in the stock of K for capital goods. It means the investment is a process of increase in the stock of capital goods. We all know what are the capital goods. The capital goods are plant, machine, building, etc. So whenever the stock of these capital goods increases over a period of time, it is known as investment or capital formation. There are two aspects of the investment. One is the fixed investment. It is denoted by FI or FCF, fixed capital formation. Fixed investment or fixed capital formation. And second is inventory investment. It is denoted by II. So, what is the fixed investment? The fixed investment means increase in the stock of fixed assets over a period of time is called fixed investment. For example, on 1st January 2019, an economy has 1000 machines. On 31st December 2019, the number of machines increases from 1000 machines to 1500 machines. It means during the given period of time, 1 year, in 2019, the total number of machines increases by 500 machines. This is known as the fixed investment or fixed capital formation. So fixed investment means increase in the stock of fixed assets over a period of time. Now what is the significance of the fixed investment? Means what is the positive impact of the fixed investment in the economy? So we know that the fixed investment means increase in the stock of fixed assets. When fixed assets increases, it means increase in the production capacity of the economy. Increase in the production capacity of the economy. So increase in the production of the economy. Increase in production means increase in GDP, and increase in GDP is also known as increase in economic growth. It means if the fixed investment in an economy increases, it will induce the economic growth of the country. This is the positive significance of the fixed investment on any economy of the world. This is the fixed investment. The second type aspects of the investment is inventory investment. Inventory means the stock of raw material, stock of finished goods, stock of semi-finished goods. It is known as inventory. And investment means the formation. So the inventory investment refers to increase in the stock of raw material, semi-finished goods and finished goods over a period of time, called inventory investment. It means during the period of time, if the stock of raw material, finished goods and semi-finished goods increases, it is known as inventory investment. So why there is need to increase the stock of inventory? What is the significance of the inventory investment? Why we need to accumulate the raw material? Why we need to increase the stock of finished goods? It is most important to increase the economic growth and development of the country, that the same as the fixed investment, the inventory investment should be increased. So what is the significance of the inventory investment? The stock of raw material and finished goods is mandate or required basically to cope up the uncertainties of the demand and supply. Uncertainties of the demand and supply, we know that in economy sometimes the demand is greater than supply, sometimes the supply is greater than demand, means the demand and supply is varied. So why we need to make a stock of raw material? So stock of raw material is required to cope up the problem of uncertainties of the supply. If we don't have the raw material, for example, the supply, we have to increase the supply of a particular goods. So if we don't have the raw material, we cannot increase the supply. So to continuation of the supply, we need to make the stock of raw material. The stock of finished goods is required to cope up the uncertainties of the demand. If we don't have the stock of finished goods and all of a sudden the demand of the economy increases, from where we fulfill this demand? So the inventory investment, the stock of raw material and stock of finished goods is required to cope up the uncertainties of the demand and supply. So this is the concept of investment and capital formation. And these are the two aspects, fixed investment and investment. The most important is what the significance of the fixed investment as well as the significance of inventory investment. As we all know that the investment or the capital formation is the flow concept. We will discuss in the next videos what is the stock and flow. Thank you very much.